In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see closed tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to review everything that's been completed, which is great for reporting, audits, or just getting peace of mind that nothing slipped through the cracks. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app. If you're not already signed in, enter your login details and land on your workspace home. Give the app a moment to load your spaces and projects so you see the most up-to-date information. Next, locate the specific list where the tasks live. In ClickUp, content is organized hierarchically. You have workspaces at the top, then spaces, then folders, and inside those are your lists. Use the left-hand sidebar to expand your space, open the relevant folder if there is one, and then click on the list you need. If you have many lists and can't find the right one, use the search bar at the top to type part of the list name. It's usually the fastest way to jump right in. Once you've found the correct list, open it to view the tasks. You'll likely see the default view showing active or open items. To bring up the tasks that have been completed, look for the closed option in your task view controls. In most layouts, you'll find a status filter or tabs near the top of the list that include open, all, and closed. Click closed. This switches the view to show only tasks that have been marked done or otherwise moved to a closed status. If you don't immediately see a closed option, check the filter or view bar just above the task table or board. Some views use a show closed toggle or a status filter. Enabling closed or selecting the closed status achieves the same result. Your list will refresh and display completed work only. Take a moment to scan through the tasks. You can click into any item to review details like assignees, due dates, comments, and attachments, which is especially helpful for understanding what was finished and when. When you're done reviewing, you can return to your regular workflow by switching back to open or all. That way you'll see active tasks again without losing your place in the list. And that's it. Open your account, navigate to the right list, open it, and click closed to quickly surface every completed task. With this simple process, you can keep your team accountable and your project history crystal clear.